Okay, today we are going to learn mathematics under the topic number bases. You can read it as bases, but here in Africa we read it as bases. America we read it as bases. Are we together?
Yes.
So we are going to learn how to convert base 10 numbers to base 5 numbers, right?
Yes.
How do we convert base 10 to base 5? Examples. 1. Convert, what was the number here? What was the figure here? Convert 59, eh?
Yes.
Which is in base 10 to base 5 number. When you see a question which is like this one, don't even panic. We are going to use a ladder method. Draw a ladder. Then do like this. Cut another line. Cut like this. Cut like this. Cut like this. Which one is the big number? 59. Okay? Let me draw it nicely. Line number 1. Line number 2. Then you do like this. Okay, 59 will be written here, then base 5 will be written here. Forget about the 10, then here the remainder. How many times can 5 go into 59? It will go how many times? How many times? 11. Remainder?
4.
Remainder 4. The remainder you write it here. Then you get the 5 and write it here. Say 5 into 11.
5 into 11.
It goes 2 times. Remainder?
1.
Remainder 1. Bring 5 down again. 5 into 2.
It can't.
So we write a 0 here. 5 into 2, it can't. Put a 0, get the same 2, write it here. Lastly, draw a line. Draw a line. Then say, therefore, 59 in base 10 to base 5 number is equals to, you start from bottom or down to up. So it will be 2, 1, and 4, which is in base 5. Then I've completed. This is the final answer here, as you can see. Let's go to question 2. Convert 34, which is in base 10 to base 5 number. Convert 34, which is in base 10 to base 5 number. Same applies. We are going to use the same formula. Draw a line. Draw another line. 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 Maybe rusty. We can even put another one here. Which one is the big number between 34 and 5?
34.
34. Write 34 there. Put 5 here. The remainder outside. 5 into 34, it goes how many times? 5 into 34.
6.
It goes 6 times. So we are going to write a 6 here. Remainder?
4.
Remainder 4. Then put another 5 here. 5 into 6 in?
1.
1 remainder what in?
1.
1 remainder 1. Bring 5 down again. 5 into 1?
0.
It can't. So we write a 0 here and write a 1 here. Then when you reach there, you are done. Last three, draw a line. Then say, therefore, 34, which is in base 10 to base 5 number, the answer will be 1, 1, 4, which is in verse 5. This is the final answer. Is that difficult? Let's go to question 3. Convert 34 in verse 10 to verse 2 number. Draw a line, another line, line, another one, line, another one, line. Which one is a big number between the 2 and 2?
34.
Write it here. Write the 4 here, 2 here. Since here we have been changing from verse 10 to verse 5. Here we are going to change from verse 10 to verse 2. No wonder here I have written 2 instead of what? 5. So I'll put 2 here, then outside remainder. 2 into 34. 17 times. Remainder? 0. Then again 2 into 17. 8 remainder?
1.
Good. Write 2 down again. How many times can 2 go into 8? 4 remainder? 0. Bring down 2 again. 2 into 4? 2 remainder? Bring down 2 again. 2 into 2? 1 remainder? Remainder 0. We can extend the box here. Write down 2 here. 2 into 1. It can't. We write a 0 and put a 0 here. Okay. 2 into 1 is what? 0. Then we write a 0. Get that one, write it there. Thank you so much for correction. Then we draw a line like that. Okay. Therefore, 34, which is in verse 10 to verse 2, is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 to verse 2. This is the final answer. Okay. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.